Yaki Khubor ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haka arpu atrik unailar araja upsaw. Kala syong Jingïakhun nak bentaban Pynkhreh. Nak bentaban Pynkhreh biang ya ka party. Kanang banyak sei ki kertong. Ki Jingïakhun hak election MDC ha khasi bat ha Jingïakhun Hills Autonomous District Council. Hak Jingïakhun Meghalaya Pathai Kubor President jong party ba Vincent H Pala. Ulay thu shwa banjit ya ki kertong labat ha ya ki noyalam jong party ha ki block bat ki district level ba kin bishar bha ha banjit ya ki kertong. Shwa ba kin pha syaka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Ulay thu ru balabat ha ya ki noyalam jong ki block bat ki district ba kin bishar banyak ben pa ben ya ki kertong watla kila dan lepa ki kertong ki baka party kan sepen bena action.
The meeting today we have invited all the block presidents in one Shillong parliamentary constituency only because the election MDC is likely to happen in Khasi and Giant Hills only, but Garo Hills I think it will take some time. So the purpose of the meeting, our intention is to strengthen at the grassroots level. At the same time, we have enlightened our workers about the present scenario where 3 MLAs already left the party and 2 been suspended and 1 just joined the NPP. That's the purpose meeting, and of course it was a very good discussions, a very fruitful discussions. 20 of the members, including the district presidents, the block presidents, the senior workers, and they have participated in the discussions. So we hope that based on the discussions, we'll send the resolution to Delhi and we'll see what will be the outcome. The main discussions today is, number 1 is that this council will be, I think, within 6 or 7 months from now. So the selections of candidate, the scrutiny of candidate has to be started at the block level, then to the district level, and will send up to the MPCC. Some of the areas we may have already had the candidates, so we'll try to announce the candidate in appropriate time, and some of the areas we need to scrutiny more, so we'll take time. This is our instructions to the workers. Number 2, there was a discussions why these 3 MLAs left and why 2 were suspended and 1 was not suspended. So we told our workers that when I was away in America, actually there was a pressure that they should be suspended in my absence. But I requested the competent authority that when I reach Shillong, I should call a meeting, request all the MLAs to come. So in that meeting on the 16th of August, we invited all of them, but 2 of them, Gabriel and Charles Maranga, did not turn up for the meeting. Dr. Celestine came for the meeting on the 16th. And he told us in the meeting that he may or may not go, but he will let us know. So his presence was the meeting, gave us hope that we should not suspend him, whereas the other 2 did not come for meeting. Actually, the suspension was not taken by the MPCC. We only sent our views and recommendations, resolutions to Delhi. So the Delhi took the action against all of them. So we enlighten our workers that also we may go for a case against all this. We are consulting the lawyers on these issues. We'll see what are the pros and cons which can benefit the party as well as the people as a large. Because I think this is too much for the BJP and NPP, how they have taken our people unnecessarily. For example, this is happening in Jharkhand. If you see how the BJP is trying to poach the numbers, it happened in Himachal. They tried even in Karnataka. It happened in Maharashtra. It happened in many areas where the Congress was ruling. The target of the BJP is to see that the Congress is wiped out of the country. The same voice of the NPP here also, Meghalaya Congress Mukh Bharat, the same voice. So this voice is not only the NPP, this voice has been tutored by the BJP. The people of Meghalaya should know that the BJP and the NPP, the relationship has become stronger and stronger. With that in mind, we had contributed in the District Council through Pynkhreh and his team. We worked together in the District Council because at that time, our intention was that since the 6th schedule will be amended and it was introduced in the Rajya Sabha, sent to the parliamentary committee, gave a recommendations. We thought that we should also, as a party which has given the 6th schedule to the people of Meghalaya, we should have a say in that. So that say we have given our views through the members in this council. But very unreliable partner NPP has taken away our people, trying to destroy us. This is their mischieving views and ideas and intention is being dominated by the ideas of the BJP. The mood of our workers that we should go alone in this council, and the mood of our workers, they also entrusted the president and his team to examine it clearly, what are the pros and cons. So overall the mood is that they are not happy with the way which the NPP is doing, the way which is happening in the council. So most of them, they think that we should withdraw from the council, and Pynkhreh has assured them that we have a system, we are a national party, we cannot just walk in and walk out. We have a system, we have to see the pros and cons. Number one is the interest of the public has to be taken in consideration. So we have told them, so majority of them, they trust us and they leave the matter to us.
During the last 1 year, when we are working together with NPP, you should learn so many things that we have contributed in the district councils. In terms of regulations and rules, for small example, we have passed many bill and amendment for the interest of our people. That is number one. Number two, as Sir already briefed you, we are during a very important situation where the process for amendment of the 6th bill is going on. I think we all know, not only NPP, Congress, but all MDC, we work together to see that the amendment of the 6th schedule should be the advantage for us. I think you understand that we work together with the very intention for the interest of our people as per our tradition, custom. Many ilakas, Hima also has introduced the bill for the respective ilakas. We work together to speed up many important issues for the interest of our people. Yes, it's very true. In our today meeting, the voice of our party workers, why not we relook on the working together decision? We all agree with you that this has been endorsed to the president and along with state leaders to discuss on this issue. Because I think you understand, it is not appropriate for us to act anything in a very hurried, because we are wherever we are. We have only one objective, to do the best for our people. That's why I told you that it is not too late for us. Because in the last 1 year, I think you all know many things we did in the district councils. Especially, I think in the social media, we have many complicated issues until and unless we work together. So, as already told you that this has been endorsed to the party president along with few leader of the state Pradesh Congress Committee. Then this will be discussed during that meeting.
Ya pensou tu ia ki pai ba. Haba fiklam ai jing job itu Congress Party bangindan ha ka bor. Te kamot you have done opposition. Pia biya sya. Namar kamdai tang development ki ba bon ki ai mentan kembong ni ba pensengai. Hapa this council ilawan ra bon ki bills ban mentoi pai ba. Ngatrai na lor ki development kita kementangan on ra ki issues. For example, hakini ki knet sini bilong session. Menta kum ke airport. Yang man develop tourism. Atau kata amde development, bagindon ke airport ke benlong functional bakinwan da kini ki aeroplane behe panwan hangne. Ngin attract high end tourists. Atau kata kamde ke development. Kata habawan ra kampen roishan ni haba kiwan kinong jengok kai partai ni kiwan ra bat ke jumentor. Tong menta nan suang pi ke National Food Security Act. Na try ladai ka por bangin ra socio-economic survey biang naman dang bon ki long yeng long sem beduk ki baklami yo juman toy na kane ka an bathau ka seng congress ban pet ba ki pait ba jongi kunum lethia than demle lethia da ka basha than mur kono bakin biang ka pam kadi hato kata kam de development oi ngidon kam surok kam dan right kita ru de development. Kita ingin flag apa assembly, mentah kita bon show ki issues, mentah kita pet kita ki nong tray jongi ki bla tray bon snap, tang long contractual. Lalu ki kami ya otak jengsi, kata kami development, kamlong MLA, hoi ni habis je constituency. Dihandai haba kejala ka ruspa, ka constituency kan ruspa. Dengan so ngalak flag kane, mentah kum kane ka wa kra jongi, kane ka sirpi jongi. Atau ke donam ke plan jang ke sarkar ban rejuvenate lani ban penembiang kini kiwa tak kamle ke development pi teng yung development tang surok development tang ko kadai tendai mentang ngila flag mentang kata ke 4 lane kan num mentoy tak ke meliam constituency kan mentoy kane ka jing khapnyak surok mentang pinapet da piwan nado nadam tentang ban poi hapo silong deki kenta lemata lada ni don ke western bypass ngap ai kublai hot lada ngamdai na kaju ke parti ngap ai kublai you deputy chief minister in charge roads ya baka jingkran janga po assembly ya ka western bypass ke 4 lane la syukia tentang hap ya ro ndai ban shuben tamong badan opposition shuben lot tendai ka babang ya biro menta ka western bypass ngalai kendo informally ya deputy chief minister in charge roads iba prestun tensong yang ba 95% kane ka land compensation lada black hato kata kamde ke development menta ladang yo panwan ki flight menta Tripura ladon daily flight hapo kiwi ki jela ponodis tama megla jogi pada tementang yang ban attract high end tourist fitrai unong Amerika unhap pechwa ni unong bilat ne banano kanu kari dolai o man lek megale kanu ngunchipo wo hapyar gohti na gohti hable shillong lai kanta sawata kemancho pi kita ki development habang iong ka jela jongi ngidon kamban kentiu ke revenue kata kam development